You're thinking about giving dropshipping a try? Or you're just wondering, how is it possible to start with the lowest of low investment? Well, that's why we made this video. So just sit back, grab a drink, and let's tell you everything. Hey everyone, this is Jean from DSers, your dropshipping companion. Today, we're going to talk about how you can start dropshipping for free. Yes, for free, even with $0 in your pocket. We'll see what you should prepare before starting, what platforms you can use to find products or create your store, how to handle marketing, and finally, how to manage your orders. I hope you like what we have in store for you. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you do. And let's get started. First things first, you should decide what you want to sell. There are some steps you can follow to help you with that process. Let's see what they are. First, you need to identify your interests and strengths. You should start with some self-assessment. Make a list of your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. This will help you stay motivated and knowledgeable about your niche. Talking about niche, you can choose a niche you're passionate about, as it will keep you motivated. Also, your knowledge in the area will help you better understand customers' needs and trends. But you need to make sure that there is a long-term viability. What I mean here is that you need to make sure the niche has been lasting for a longer time and isn't just a passing trend. This will help you sustain your business in the long run. Once you're confident about yourself, you need to follow up with some market research. We have free tools online. Study everything you can about the product or niche you want to focus on. Check if there's some room for you in that market. For that, you can use some free tools. The first one is Google Trends. It's quite easy to use. Go to Google Trends, enter potential product keywords, and analyze their popularity over time. Here, you're looking for an increasing or stable trends, regional interest, and related queries. The second tool you can use is simply Amazon bestsellers. Visit the Amazon bestsellers page to see the top-selling products in various categories. Check what's trending. Pay attention to product ranking, customer reviews, and frequency of updates. Finally, you should also use and abuse social media platforms. On Instagram, use hashtags related to your niche to find popular products and influencers. On TikTok, explore trending videos and hashtags like TikTok made me buy it to see what products are gaining popularity. If you want more details on how to do product research and find the products to dropship, you can refer to our video, How to do Dropshipping Product Research. We'll add a link in the description. The goal with this self-assessment and quick market research is to make sure you're ready and that the market is ready as well. Once your product search is over, it's time to look for suppliers, and more importantly, on good, solid, and reliable suppliers. To keep the cost at zero, you should also be using free platforms, or the ones offering free trial at least, until you can generate profit. First platform you can use is AliExpress. It's free to sign up, and you don't have to pay to use it. It's a great platform to search for products within your niche and filter results based on price, ratings, and order volume. It offers detailed suppliers information, product images, and customer reviews, and has millions of product listings. The second platform you can use is DSers. It has a forever free plan available, meaning you don't have to pay to use it. It integrates with Shopify and AliExpress. You can use it to search for products and import them directly to your online store. You can also use it to process orders to AliExpress and make payments in bulk there. DSers Supplier Optimizer can also help you find better suppliers for your products. Suppliers who sell the exact same products, but with better ratings and cheaper prices. It's also important that you spend time evaluating your suppliers. Check the star rating, read customers' reviews, and look at the number of orders. You need to know their history. Have a look at shipping times and policies as well. Check the estimated delivery time for different shipping methods and read the seller's shipping policy. Once you're set on a supplier, you have to make sure it's the right one. And there's basically two ways to do that. One, ordering samples. If you can afford it, ordering some sample is the best way to verify product quality and shipping times, but you'll have to pay for it. It's not ideal, but it's the best way to check if the product is right. Two, customer reviews. Like we just said before, you need to check the customer's review very carefully. Read comprehensive product reviews and users' feedback on the platform to gauge the product quality and customer satisfaction. Look for unboxing and review videos on YouTube or TikTok to see the product in use and get an idea of its quality. Check customers' uploaded videos and reviews to see real-life product images. It's time-consuming, but free. While I'd still recommend to order some samples. If your budget is really tight, you can rely on other customers' feedback to check the product quality. If you want more details on how to select top-notch suppliers, check our video, how to find the best dropshipping suppliers on AliExpress in 2024. Alright, we have a product, we found a good supplier for it, so it's time to build our online store. Some e-commerce platforms are free or offer free trial period, so you should definitely take advantage of that. For this video, we're going to mention just two of them. The first one is Shopify. It offers a 14-day free trial, very useful. When you sign up for the free trial, you can select a store name and follow the setup wizards. It has an easy-to-use interface, integration with dropshipping apps like DSers, and various customization options. The second free option is WooCommerce. Unlike Shopify, WooCommerce is completely free to use. If you want to try it, go to woocommerce.com and choose a host to get started. WooCommerce is highly customizable. It has a wide range of free plugins and themes. It's a great community support. Depending on the platform you decide to use, things are slightly different. For Shopify, there are a lot of available online tutorials. Use Shopify's own help center and YouTube tutorials to guide you through the setup process. You'll be able to add products manually or import them using a free dropshipping app like DSers. For WooCommerce, there are also some great online tutorials. Follow the official WooCommerce documentation and YouTube tutorials for setup guidance. You can also add products manually through the WooCommerce dashboard or import them using a free plugin. Don't rush while setting up your store. Check both platforms and decide which one you prefer. Once you finish to set up your store, it's time to design it. On Shopify, you can find a lot of free themes. Choose the one you like from the Shopify theme store. Customize the theme to match your brand's look and feel. You can also use pre-designed templates for product pages, collections, and more to create a cohesive design. WooCommerce also has a free theme for the storefront, available in the WordPress theme repository, which is designed specifically for WooCommerce. You can customize your chosen theme using the WordPress customizer. And you can also install free plugins to add additional functionality and design elements. Last important point on your store creation. Let's talk about product listing. You'll still need to import products, right? For that, you can use free tools and plugins provided by your e-commerce platform to import products from your supplier. It's also crucial that you optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images, write SEO-friendly product description, and set competitive prices. Store creation is an important step that can be daunting, but it can also be free and fun. Next step you'll have to face, marketing. There's two types of marketing you can do completely for free. Let's have a look at them. Social media marketing is time-intensive, but it can yield great results, even with no investment. Start by creating your account and profiles on all the popular social media platforms, like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Use the name of your brand or store as the username, and try to keep it the same across all platforms. Every social media is a bit different, so you need to adapt your content. For example, create videos for TikTok, but focus more on pictures for Instagram. Talking about content, it's also important that you post regularly. Consistency is the key to sales and success. Keep your audience engaged. Create a content calendar to plan your post in advance. It's also a good idea to create a list of content ideas, such as sharing user-generated content, product tutorials, unboxing videos, customers' testimonials, and behind-the-scenes looks at your business. Engaging with your audience is important to create a connection with them. Respond to comments and messages, but also answer questions. Thank customers and engage in conversation to build a relationship with your audience. You can also create some giveaways and contests. This will encourage user participation and increase visibility. Content marketing can also be incredibly efficient if done right, and it's free. Start a blog on free blogging platforms like WordPress.com or Medium to start a blog related to your niche. Write valuable and interesting articles that resonate with your products. You can write how-to guides, product reviews, industry news, and tips related to your niche. The important part is to provide valuable information that addresses your audience needs and interests. Spend some time to also consider SEO. Incorporate relevant keywords into your articles to improve search engine rankings. Use free tools like Google Keywords Planner and Ubersuggest to find those keywords so that more people will see your articles and ultimately will learn about your store. Marketing is time-consuming, especially with no budget, but it's necessary if you want to get customers. Social media and content marketing are the best way to get results with no investment. Last thing you should take care of is order treatment. For the order fulfillment, things will change a bit depending on the platform you use, but the process will remain similar. When a customer places an order in your online store, you'll receive a notification through your e-commerce platform. Then, you need to purchase the product and place the order. This is when you need to start spending money. There's no way around it. If you're using Shopify with DSers, this process can be simplified to reduce manual work. Once you bought the product, it will be shipped. In dropshipping, the supplier takes care of that. Just make sure you provide the correct shipping address and details. Customer service is a key to user satisfaction and retention, so don't skimp on it. You can use some free communication tools to help you with that. Use a free email service to communicate with customers and create a dedicated business email address for professional correspondence. You can also use your store social media profiles directly to respond to customers' inquiries and provide support. Facebook Messenger is quite nice as well, especially if you integrate it in your store. The main goal here is to respond to customer inquiries within 24 hours. Quick responses show that you value your customer and are committed to providing excellent service. Be prepared to handle common issues such as order status inquiries, shipping delays, product issues, and returns. Fulfilling orders and dealing with customers can be stressful, but even with zero investment, you can still manage efficiently. So, what do you think? Do you really need money to start dropshipping? My answer is no. The only thing you need is motivation. Sure, with some budget, you would be able to simplify things, but we saw that it's basically up to you. All the tools you need to give it a try are here, for free, for you. I hope that this helped you understand that you don't need to invest thousands to get started. I'd still advise you to have some budget saved up for marketing, as it will be the hardest part of your journey. Let me know in the comment what you think is the perfect budget to try dropshipping. I'm curious to know. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And until next time, happy dropshipping.